The instructors in the cohort, fantastic. They offered themselves up as great resources. It was really nice to have folks that were 0 years of experience in the role to 9 years of experience in the role. And so we got a nice flavor of, here are some things, some to-dos and things not to do, and or here's something that I tried, and everything was really framed out in the context of your school's culture. So it really allowed us to think and process not just how it worked for someone else, but how would that work in our own school culture? And how could we think about that and reflect on it? Would this be effective for our school culture?